So this individual, Waqar Ahmedi, page 22 of Religion, Peace and Conflict, he states regarding chapter 7, verse 54 of the Quran, that this verse of the Quran refers to Allah seating Himself on the throne, which many Muslims understand as symbolic of His control over everything. So he's stating the throne in the Quran is a metaphor for Allah's omnipotence. Now, this is from the sifat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this verse is from the mutashabihat, those verses which cannot be fully understood by us. We cannot interpret and delve deeply into them. Rather, it is our iman to believe in them. It is necessary for us to believe in them as part of our iman, and we pass by them outwardly, and we do not reject their meaning and reject it as a sifa, as an attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is something the Jahmiyyah did. They reject the attribute of Allah and they give it a metaphorical meaning. The other extreme is that the way he's translated it, for example, then established himself on the throne, seating himself on the throne, these sort of meanings which imply likening of the creator to the creation, or otherwise known as anthropomorphism. This is also disbelief. So again, trying to confuse young believers, young Muslims, using such verses of the Quran, such poor translations of the Quran, is another example of the disastrous way in which our young Muslims are being affected in school by these corrupt books